Hello students, I wish you are safe at your home. Today I am starting the next topic, that is basic practices of crop production. Under this topic we will discuss the following points like preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, removal of weeds, harvesting, and lastly the storage of food grains. These are the systematic practices which are done by our farmers. As you know, for more and more production and for more profit, farmers do hard work in a specific manner. Their systematic order is too tough to do. I am explaining one by one. Let us start with the first topic, that is preparation of soil. First, as you know, farmers plow their fields, they tilt the soil, loosen the soil, then label the soil, and next one is manuring the soil. That means they add manures at the time of plowing. That means if we doing manuring at that time when plowing is going on, the all manures will mixes in the soil uniformly. Like plowing, leveling and manuring. These are the basic practices when farmers start to prepare soils. Plowing is to till the soil, land. Leveling means if there are uneven soil, some places it is high, some it is low. In that case, farmers use leveler to level the fields, make them even. And next one is manuring. Manuring means adding manures at the time of plowing. It distributed evenly in the soil. After preparation of soil, farmers used to sow seeds in the field. For sowing, he used two methods. First one is by hand and second one is by seed drills. When soil prepared, the farmer takes the seeds in a bucket or a basket and distributed evenly on the surface of the soil or land. In this way, the seeds germinate and new plants prepare. Second one is seed drills. I think you have seen the seed drills. There is a implement, agricultural implement, in which farmers putting the seeds in a drill, and when plow moves forward, seeds going into the soil. This way, the seeds deeper in the soil and that is sown. Next one is adding manure or fertilizers for better growth of plants and more production. Farmers use manure and fertilizers. Manure means natural decomposed materials, fertilizers which are chemically prepared. In manure, we generally like cow dung and compost pit, where garbage of our homes throwing in a pit. After decomposing, they become the good manure. Manure contains nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, These are the elements which are very good for plants. And next one is fertilizers like urea and NPK. Urea, as you have seen, spherical shape white crystal, and NPK, that is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. That is the mixture of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. It's a good fertilizer for plants. Manure and fertilizers give sufficient nutrients and minerals to the plants for their growth and more productions. Now next one is irrigation. Irrigation means watering the plants, means when we pass out a large quantity of water in the fields, plants takes water and makes their food. For this purposes, watering is important. For watering purposes, generally we use moat, chain pump and rod. These are the devices by which we irrigate our fields. Next one is removal of weeds. There are some unwanted plants which grow with the crops, which are profitable for us. Weeds are unwanted plants. If we remove them, the plant will get more and more nutrients and minerals. If these weeds will grow along the crops, they will harm the plants. They will not grow properly and healthy. That's why weeds removal is necessary. Some weeds are wild oat grass like ghas and amaranthus and chenopodium, which is known as bathua. These are the unwanted plants, weeds, which we remove from the crops. Next one is harvesting. Harvesting means cutting down the crops. For next step, threshers and combine are used for cutting the plants. We use threshers for wheat. By threshers we use thresher machine. We put the weeds in the thresher, and after some time we get husk like bhusa and grains like gehu, and combine is an automatic tractor machine which works in directly fields and make them separate, husk and wheat both separately. And lastly one is the storage of food grains. When grains are prepared, we need to keep them safe for future use. That's why we store them safely, which are free from rodents, microbes, moisture, etc. For these purposes, we put grains in granary. First we put the grains in gunny bags and then we store in granary. And another storage part is silos, in which a huge container of lettuce are kept, and we put the grains in the silos and cover them. This is the way by which we can save our grains for future use. These are the topics which is the basic practices used by farmers to produce more and more grains for their production and for profits. On behalf of these topics, I will give you some assignments. These questions will be from inside the book. I will frame the questions. You will write the answer in the assignment. You will write the answer in your homework copy, write revision of chapter 1. Pick out the answers from the book and write down at the proper place. I hope you will do. I expecting that you will submit your assignment on time. Next topic I will take in next session. Till then, thank you.